Hello everyone! Today I'd like to share with you the Flower Garden box card. It folds flat to fit in an envelope and is perfect for writing a message on the back. I will add a link to the files to make this card in the video description. Start by adding the centers of the flowers. Then add the flowers to the stems. Next, glue the flowers to the back of the insert layers. Next, we'll assemble the fence. There are score lines on the fence. Fold along each of the score lines. Add glue to the tab and glue the back of the fence onto the front of the fence. Glue each dirt piece to the fence. Line the pieces up between the score lines. Make sure each score line can still bend. This will form the box. At this point, you can finish the card by gluing the box together and gluing the inserts inside. Or you can try an alternate method, which I find easier. Bend the tabs on both of the insert pieces forward. Start with the piece with 4 flowers and add glue to the back of the tab. Line the edge of the tab up with the edge of the score line. Fold the insert over. On the insert with 3 flowers, add glue to the back of the tab. Line the edge of the tab up with the other flower layer. Now we can glue the other end of the inserts in place. Unfold the tabs for the first and second layers and fold the fence over. Add glue to the last picket of the fence and both tabs. Fold the end fence piece over and secure. While the glue is drying, fold the card back and forth to make sure it folds and lays flat. Glue the back piece of the card to the back fence. To add more dimension, add the long strips to the front of the fence. You can add a note to the back of the card or print out a message card to add a special greeting. These square message cards can be found in my freebie files. There are multiple greetings to choose from, and they fit perfectly on the back of this card. I will add the link to the free message cards in my video description. Have a great day, everyone!